everybody doing? It's Aaron. In this video I'm going to show you how to replace the brake pads on a K5 Blazer. What you're going to want to do is jack up the vehicle, put a jack stand underneath of it, pull off the wheel. Tools you'll need is a 3/8 Allen head driver, wrench, and a vise to compress the caliper once we have the caliper off the vehicle. There's 2 bolts you're going to need to remove. One on the top. This is your 3/8 Allen head bolt right here. There's actually one at the bottom. Don't forget the little bushings that are attached to these bolts. You don't want to lose those. Once you have your bolts removed, take your caliper, slide the upper portion out, and it'll come right off. Using the old brake pad, go ahead and install your vise on the caliper and compress the caliper, letting all the fluid out into the... Now's a good time to take the reservoir cap off of your brake fluid reservoir. As you compress the caliper, fluid will start to rise. It may be necessary to remove some of this brake fluid so it doesn't overflow. Done compressing your caliper, go ahead and take off your seat clamp and load your caliper with your brake pads. Once you have your brake pads loaded, go ahead and mount your caliper onto your hub here, and then reinsert your bolts. Make sure that your bolts are properly holding in the inner brake pad. It's easy to get that misaligned. You go ahead and tighten your bolts to factory spec. You're all done. Go ahead and start the vehicle and pump the brakes until the brakes are nice and firm. You want to get all of that space between the brake pad and the rotor taken up because you compress the calipers. So go ahead and start her up. Go ahead and pump it up, and it's firm. Get the bolts tightened down. Go ahead and throw your wheel on and torque it to 100 foot-pounds, and you're pretty much done. Same procedure for the other side, and don't forget to be safe and use a jack stand. Don't try to do this stupid way with just a jack. Be safe. Take care.